Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to turn on live notifications from the selected TikTok accounts, TikTok channel. So let's go to the blockchain. First and foremost, we need to open the TikTok app, and as you can see right now we are on our profile page. But right now we need to find an account, a channel from which we want to receive notification about it started live. So let's tap on the Discover section at the bottom of the screen and let's pick on the search to find the needful channel. So I will choose the second account. This is the HardReset.Info channel. Let's go on it after clicking on it one time. And so how to manage this notifications option? I need to tap on this special icon, on this bell icon, which is located on the top bar of the screen. And later, if our TikTok notifications are disabled in the settings, we need to go to the settings app after tapping on the open settings option. Later, we have to choose the notifications and click on the switch, which is the first on the list. But remember, these settings are needful only if you have disabled the whole notifications of the TikTok app. But if they are turned on, you can smoothly go next. So right now we have the turned on notifications. Let's repeat our settings after tapping on the bell shortcut here. And remember that to turn on these notifications, you have to be follower of the selected account. So I need to tap on the follow red bar. And right now I can smoothly correct my notification settings. So as an example, I can choose the first option when I will get all live notifications of the selected channel. Later I can absolutely disable these notifications, or I can get recommendations from the TikTok app to add to go to this live. So let's pick on the first one. For example, if I want to enable this notification, this messages option. And as you can see, right from now on I will receive messages from the TikTok that this channel, this account had started a new live. In the same way, I can smoothly, as I said before, disable this option and just only have the customized one when I get recommendations from the TikTok. So I can smoothly use these dots here to manage this option. And if you guys right now know how to work with this option, how to manage and correct it, don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and of course on TikTok. So good luck, bye bye!